We just put this in the gas tank, squeeze the air out. See how it sucks up some of the gasoline? And then I just put it here. It's a little time consuming. For those that don't have a pump or an easy way to empty most of the gas out of their mower's gas tank before they lean it back, I'm going to show you how to build one. First with a glue gun, and then I'll show how to do it with electrical tape. Take a water bottle and drill a hole in the top. Then take a straw and put him in there. You don't want it way back like this. You want it as far to the front as you can possibly get it. Then take a glue gun and seal it all the way around. Cut the straw. The shorter you can make it, the better. I'll show you why. This straw is short, and when I put it in there, see how it sucks the water up? And then we can transfer it to another container. When you have a long straw, what happens? See how it barely even makes it up? So the shorter you make the straw, the better it works. Wrap the tape around the straw and around the bottle cap, sealing it the best you can instead of using the glue gun. You'll need a pair of scissors to cut the tape. Don't try to pull on it. The straws are not strong enough. When you get it right, you should be able to blow into the straw and very little air should come out. I was never able to get a perfect seal, but it still worked. Once that's done, flick all the water out of it, set it in the sun, and every so often, because you don't want water getting back up into your gas where you're pouring it back. So you have to completely dry it out before you use it. These are meant to transfer the gasoline only, not to store it, because for all I know, the glue up here or the cap or the straw or the bottle, if gasoline is left in it, may melt away. So just use it to transfer, and then they're meant to be thrown away. You don't have to drain this entire gas tank. You just have to get it down to this level or something. So when the mowers lean back and we disconnect this front hose, a bunch of gasoline doesn't come out on you. After you're all finished, make sure you do undo this and get rid of all the old gasoline. And keep in mind, this will be extremely flammable because there's gas fumes up inside there and everything. So make sure you leave it open and let it totally dry out before you throw it away. If you have one of these Ready Start carburetors, I have two very detailed videos, one on how to replace the whole carburetor, the other how to replace the jets inside the carburetor. Click on the appropriate card to go to one of these videos. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.